Namaste everyone, welcome to SS Craft Mantra. Today I am going to show you how to make these handmade papers. Without wasting time, let's get started with the tutorial. First you will need some used papers or left out papers. Cut these papers into small pieces. You need to soak them into water. Leave it for 24 hours. You need to blend them in a mixture and make a pulp out of it. You will need a container like this and a strainer. Add 2 good spoons of pulp and mix it in a water. Now put the strainer inside it and slowly scoop up the pulp. Make sure your water is fully drained. You need to press it. Now gently dab the fabric on paper. Now slowly flip the strainer and dab it carefully. Fold the fabric and dab it again to remove excess water. If you want a flat surface, simply use baleen to flat the surface and remove excess water which is present in the pulp. Leave the paper overnight. Your handmade paper is ready. If you had liked this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.